Hi, kindergartners. So today and this week, we've been learning about sorting. And we learned that when we sort objects, we can sort them by color. So we all cut out our tent for coloring today. That's our color. We can sort by shape. That's sometimes the trickiest, and that's in green. And then we also practiced this week sorting by size. So something small, or is it medium, or is it large? And we did that today in class. So your job today is that you're going to choose some objects. So you can either use the similar objects we used this week in class, like our puff balls, or your counters, or your teddy bears, or your noodles. Or you can go around your house and find some small objects or big objects, as long as you can sort them maybe on the table. You don't have to move them too far. I also went in the classroom and I found some Legos, because these tools will help me be able to practice sorting by color, by shape, and by size. So I'm gonna do an example with our puff balls first, okay? So I'm gonna show you today. Today, you're going to do some sorting of objects at home, and you're gonna end up, when you're done, taking a picture of what you sorted with the tent above it, so that we know, did you sort something by color? Did you sort something by shape? Or did you sort something by size? So I'm gonna pull a handful of these objects. I'm actually gonna just pour them out here. These are my puff balls. I wanna make sure I don't lose any. So here they are in a pile. Right now they're not sorted. They're just all together in a pile. I have different colors here. I have different sizes here. And the shape is all the same though. So I'm not going to want to sort these by shape. I'm going to get rid of that tent. Just put that to the side, because these are all spheres. We'll learn about spheres in a couple weeks. That's a type of solid shape. So that's all the same shape. So we can't do that for here. But I can either do by size or by color. And in TK or preschool, I know you did a lot of sorting by color. So that one's kind of easy. So I'm going to actually try to sort by size with you today. So I'm going to decide, is it small? Is it medium? Or is it large? So I'm gonna look at my puff balls and I'm gonna have to make 3 piles. So I'm gonna think, what's the biggest ones here? Ooh, I think this is the biggest. So this is the biggest size. So I'm gonna put some of the big ones. And ooh, these are really small. I'm gonna put the small there. Usually big and small are the easiest. It's trying to figure out what's the medium. That might be a little tricky. So I'm gonna keep sorting. That's a big, that's a big, that's a small. That's a small. Let me see, is that? Oh, that might be a little bit bigger than that. That's a small, small. It's a small, small. Ooh, this is a big, big. Ooh, these might be like a medium. Oh, but this is bigger than this one. Ooh, this would be tricky. We might have a couple size mediums, because these are about the same size. Are these all the same size? No. Oh, no, I think these are different than that size too. These are like these ones. These ones are over here. This could be like almost tiny. So I'll call this tiny over here. And this will be small. This might be medium. What are these? Let me see. Are they more? No, they're more this size. No, that one's more this one. It's more that one. This one. Yeah, I think it's this size. Oh, wow, guys. Look, I found 4. Wait, that's the same. Oh, that's over there. I found 4 different sizes. I had a really small, like a tiny, then a small, then a medium puff ball, and a large. So I sorted by size. Now, I could go back and use the same pile, scoot them back together, and I could try to sort by color. So I could put all the green ones together or all the blue ones together, okay? So you can go back and you can use the same objects and sort it a different way when you're done. So I did it by size. If this is what you did, we would want you to take a picture of that and upload that to Seesaw so we can see your hard work. But don't just sort one time. When you're done, you can put it back together and you could try another way. So I have these Legos here, and I could try to sort these by size, or I could do by color, or if I kind of wanted to sort by shape, maybe I use my puff balls, my Legos, and my bears. And you might be able to do something that we don't usually let you do. Do you want to know what you could do? You could put them all together and you could mix them all up. What? I know, normally we don't let you make a mess, but when we're sorting, that's kind of what we do. So now I have all different shapes.
You also have all different colors, Miss Elle.
Yeah, so I could now take this pile of puffballs and teddy bears and Legos, and I could sort it by shape. So I could put all the teddy bears, they're all the same shape, or all the puffballs are the same shape, or our Legos might be different shapes. I have some Legos that are look like that. Some Legos are long and skinny. So there's a lot of shapes in my Legos. Or I could sort by size. I probably could find some things that are small, medium, large, or maybe tiny, medium, large. Or I could do the same pile, and I could even do these by color. So if you want to do this, that's awesome. Once you're done, take a picture, but then you have to promise to be responsible and clean up your materials when you're done.
You mean you have to sort them before you put them away?
Definitely. I can't just take all of these and put them all back in the same bag. I have to make sure I put them away where they belong. And especially if there are some of the tools we gave you, you need to make sure they get back in your toolbox because you'll need them again for another activity that we do for our learning. So we can't wait to see your sorting. And don't just use these objects. There's so many things around your house you could use for sorting. Just make sure you get permission. And make sure to use your tents so we know how you sort. By color, by shape, or by size.
Miss Elle, I can't wait to see what they sort.
Me either.